Ooh. Ooh. Human versus animal.
Ow! Ow! He's going at it.
He's going at it, bro. He's already going at it.
Get him, Morgan. I'm trying.
The star of the show. Oh! He's not pinned yet.
Oh, don't bite.
Nope. Yeah. Nope. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you won!
Yes! Get out now!
Okay, I declare 3 more times because
Okay.
there's nothing good. There's nothing good in there.
Are you ready, Kane?
3, 2, 1, go! Come on, Caden.
Oh!
You can't win that easy. What? Oh no.
No, he's biting me.
1, 2. Oh nope. 1. Nope.
No!
He's not going down without a fight.
No!
What? Oh.
Get him, Kaden! Oh, are you scared?
You good, bro?
Oh, he needs a drink break.
You need a drink break. You good, bro? Drink break. Okay, get him, boy. Oh no, just kidding.
Alright, Kaden.
Get him, Caden.
Ready to lose? Kaden, come here.
Oh,
Kaden.
oh, that's great. That's great. Caden.
Drink break is over. No, get him on your chest again. He's gonna hunt me. No!
Oh, no, that's not a pin. That's not a pin. Now both shoulders are on the ground. 1, 2, 3. No, just kidding. That elbow came up.
Get him, Kaden.
Go on, Caden. You got this.
Kaden. Ow, my head.
You're made for this, Caden. The licking contest. Who will win?
No! My arm!
I'm still feeling. That's some good stuff.
Want to see me again? Push me up. Push me up. Push me up. I want to get Oakley out of here.
Oh, aka no animal were hurt in this film.
This is fun. It's all fun. Oh, my arm.
Besides Morgan, he might get hurt. I think his leg got hurt though.
Let's get Oakley out here when
Oh,
Kaden goes in.
Another drink break? What? Okay. Oh, no, get.
What time is it?
6:14.
Okay, I'm gonna leave here in a little.
Okay.
I'll go inside.
You good, bro? It's like, you good, bro?
Square up! King! Ow!
Get him.
Push him off. This is so funny.
That was funny. You know what'd be more funny? Just watching this back over and over and over again.
Going down this time, boy. I'm putting music over the funny part.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you're good.
I got a 10.
5, 6, 7, 8.
No.
No. Oh.
Oh!
1, 2, 3. Nope, just kidding. Oh, it's all love and games after. 1. No, just kidding. Just kidding. 1, Oh, just kidding. Just kidding. I hope you're not just going on YouTube.
Kane was like, it's going on YouTube?
This kid is done, bro.
That's right, boy. Back up. Back up.
The loony bin.
Yeah?
Oh no, I can see this going wrong already. Oh, yep, there you go. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh, yeah? Y'all got tough? Oh, yeah? Caden! Caden!
Caden, go get a drink. Go get a drink. You need a drink, Caden.
Caden, get on him!
Get up on him, Caden.
Caden, drink break.
Drink break. Come on, Caden. Get a drink. Get a drink.
Yeah, you wanna go again?
Oh, you don't want a drink. You good, bro? You good, bro? Does Oakley wrestle?
There we go.
Does Oakley wrestle?
Down. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Dude, you got him.
He socked you in the face.
You went.
Oh, get Oakley out here.
Okay, now he wants a drink break. What is this dog's problem?
Okay, that's it. That's the final match. Let's get Oakley. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. Peace.